Hi, today I will talk about 2 TV in this video. So keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. Dimensions 2060 into 191 into 1267 mm and 1228 into 775 into 295 mm. Weight 46.5 kg and 12.4 kg. Mounting hole pattern 400 into 300 mm. Maximum operating temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2C Europe and DVB T2 S2C Europe. Special features: anti-reflective filter ultra, Gambar 3.0, IMAX enhanced, motion accelerator 240 climb ready, and anti-reflective filter pro, Gambar 2.0, motion accelerator 120. Next, display. Display technology LCD. Panel type VAQD. Backlight mini-LED zone dimming and flat. Display size 85-98 inch USA Europe and 55-65-75 85 inch Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Video processor AIPQ Pro and AIPQ 3.0. Aspect ratio 16:9. Pixel density 52 ppi and 68 ppi. Response time 5 ms and 6.5 ms. Display orientation landscape. Brightness 6500 nits and 5000 nits. Ambient light sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ, and HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision. High gig yes. Auto low latency mode yes. Next, connectivity. HDMI standard, HDMI 2.1. Number of HDMI 4 and 3. USB ports 1 into USB-A. Bluetooth 5.2 and 5.0. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax and Wi-Fi 5 802.11sc. Ethernet 1 into RJ45. Next, Smart TV and apps. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay 2 yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Speakers 6.2.2 70 watt Bang & Olufsen and 2.1 50 watt. HDMI ARC and ERC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Ditas X yes. Ditas Digital Surround yes. Ditas HD yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.